you gotta wait for Chris, Dad. Don't get so anxious and want to show off.
You want me to get in there? We're gonna nail him today, right?
Yeah.
Here, you want me to get in that?
Oh my game.
Okay. Oh, you don't need my help?
I don't need your help.
Oh, okay.
You don't want that chair over there?
Yeah, put the chair over there.
Right here?
Yeah.
This ain't
How
good.
did I do that?
This ain't good for me, you know.
Oh.
In case he falls back.
Yeah.
Watch your head.
Okay.
Dang, you got on there pretty easy.
All right, let me stop the camera because we're going fishing. Oh! Okay, we're gonna show Dad getting out now.
Huh?
Let's get this out of your way. Didn't do any good. We just went for a boat ride, basically.
Get out now?
Yeah, it's good to get out. Oh. Yep, you can get out if you want. Hey, he ain't gonna be here. He's all on his own.
Yep. All right, hold on. I have to get his cane.
I could have got it over there.
Okay.
98 years old, eh?
98 years old, getting out of this boat better than I can.
Now, are you satisfied?
Yeah, thanks for letting me videotape you.